like, my favorite on this is Amazon. If we can get a push, and we're doing it right now, if we can get a push into 52 at the open, I'm pulling the trigger on the short. Right through 58, right up the gate. It's set up there, but I can't get filled. I got an order sitting out, I just didn't get filled. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. I'm not touching anything until we close this 5-minute candle, see if we can't get a nice bounce in that 15, even 36.21. Shit, yeah, that puts us up here. Let's go. God, what a beautiful trade plan. I just can't complain. Had a beautiful trade plan. I mean, I've worked hard for perfect execution today, you know, and even though I missed this, I feel really good about my trading today. That was just perfect. And I was the top bid twice, twice in all that. Once up here and then once down here, and I just didn't get filled. They were both great trades, great setups. So right now I'm gonna wait, let this 5-minute candle close. I've got an order sitting out. If I could get a pop back into 26, because that's the hourly, I'll take that. But the hour opens, if we can't get a rally on the hour.
Order filled.
Nice. I got that. I got a good entry on that order I had sitting out here. Oh, Amazon's working. I might have to take a little profits here at 2,900.
Order filled.
There we go. Got paid right there at 2,900. Just trading off this low of this 5-minute flag we got going there. I just got paid there. I'd like to hold the rest of this for, you know, some more downside, but I want to pay myself a little bit, get some green on the books. Just selling small amounts here. Look at 4,400 to 2,900, right? They're trying to support this. They're looking for a good bounce. So I'm going to be patient here. I see that as serious weakness. We could, you know, go down south pretty quick, pretty hard. But I'm going to take some profits again here in a second. 90 was my target. Now I'm not selling anything else here. I'm just going to keep moving profit stop now, right? So I paid myself really well here. And now I'm just going to keep working this baby, right? What else can I do here? We talked about this in the meeting. Like I talked about managing these trades, right? Everything trying to kind of base here though. So I don't want to be greedy. Amazon's famous for reversing like at any moment. So I'm gonna get ready to just keep kind of taking profits on the way down here.
Order filled.
There we go. Paid myself again. So I'm gonna keep selling a few more here and there until I get down to 2, and then I'll put my profit stop in place again on that and probably get out everything, or at least be down to here at 75. Woohoo, look at this baby go. Oh man, these contracts are just ripping faces. Yeah, baby, let's go. And we are 10 minutes in the hour. We're really close to my target. I got myself down to 2. That was a nice dump. Got another 10 points out of those just when I said, hey, I'm going to pause for a minute. Just got 10 points out of that, being patient, not executing. I'm down to 2. I'm going to put a profit stop in, and that's it. I'm not touching nothing.